Hi everyone, in this video we have grade 8 chapter 3 section 2 solving multi-step equations. In the first lesson of chapter 3 we have studied solving equations, we have studied the basis of it, how to solve an equation. Now we have multi-step equations. In these multi-step equations that we have multiply, bracket and the result. In the other one we didn't have something like that, like these brackets, but now we have it. Whenever you have a bracket like this, a number multiply a bracket, or in the other examples that we have fractions, let's see how we solve them. Whenever you have a number multiply a bracket, directly we can multiply, then solve like what we did in the last lesson. Here we have 3 multiply x plus 4 means 3 multiply x, 3 multiply 4. 3 multiply x, 3x, 3 multiply positive 4, 12 equals 48. We just multiply 3 by the bracket. Now again, like before, we can change the place of it to the other side, which would be 3x equals 48 minus 12. 48 minus 12, we do it. 3x equals 36. We said that. Now we finished about plus minuses. We just have 3x equals 36. We said which number we have with the x, we divide both of the sides by the same number. It's 3x, we divide by 3, divide by 3. Then the result, 3 divided by 3, it will be 1x. Then 36 divided by 3 equals 12. Now this is the value of the unknown, which is x is 12. For the other one, the same way we use, which we have negative 2 multiplied by this bracket equals 6. Negative 2 multiply 7, negative 14. Negative 2 multiply negative m plus 2m equals 6. Now we can bring negative 14 to the other side because we have just m here, 2m, the numbers for the other side. After the equal we have 6, we bring it to the other side. Positive 2m equals 6 after the equal plus 14. 6 plus 14, 2m equals 20. Because we have 2m, we don't have plus minus to do. Divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 divided by 2, it's 1m. 20 divided by 2, 10. We found the value of m, which is equals 10. The other one, 2 multiply m minus 3 equals 9 plus m. Again, we multiply by the bracket, which would be 2m minus 6 equals 9 plus m. We bring the unknown values, which are m, to one side, the numbers to the other side. 2m in its place, positive m to this side, it will be minus m equals, after the equal we have 9, negative 6 to the other side would be plus 6. It would be 2 minus 1, it's 1m equals 9 plus 6, 15. That's how we solve if we have some steps like a number multiply a bracket. That's how we do. Let's see if we have a fraction. Let's solve some of the examples about that. If we have a fraction, In that case, if we have a fraction, let's write down 1 or 2 examples about that. This is one of them, and the other one, let's say 2 over 3 multiplied by 5y plus 1 equals 4. For solving them, in this case, whenever you have a fraction like that, directly you can multiply by the reverse of the fraction. Both of the sides. This side multiply by 2 over 1. The other side multiply by 2 over 1. The same. This is 2 over 3. We multiply by 3 over 2. Multiply 3 over 2. We multiply by what? Multiply both of the sides by 2 over 1. Because it's 1 over 2. We multiply by 2 over 1. To simplify that. Over 1 multiply 1 over 2 y plus 6 equals 2 over 1. We said it was 2 over 1. To multiply by 5. We multiplied both of the sides by 2 over 1. Now we do, if we have something like that, one of them in the upper part and one of them in the down part, you can simplify, you can cancel them. It will be just 1. We simplified 1 multiplied by this bracket, it's the same, y plus 6 equals 10 over 1, which is 10. Now we can bring 6 to the other side. Y equals 10 minus 6. Because we bring to the other side, the sign will be changed. Then y equals 10 minus 4, 10 minus 6, sorry, equals 4. That's how we found. And the next one, directly we multiply by 3 over 2. If we multiply 3 over 2 by 2 over 3 bracket 5y plus 1 equals 3 over 2 multiplied by 4. We multiply both sides by this number that we have, which is reverse of the fraction. Now one of them in the numerator, one of them in the denominator, 3 cancelled, 2 the same. Whenever you have multiply between them, you can do that. Now just 5y plus 1 equals, we know that this is 4 over 1, 3 multiply 4, 12 over 2. 12 over 2, we know that equals 6. Now we bring 1 to the other side, which would be 5y equals 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 equals 5. We did these two steps at once. 5y equals 6 minus 1 equals 5. Because here we have 5 with the y. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. We divided both of the sides by 5. Then 5 divided by 5. 1y equals 5 divided by 5, 1. And this is the result of the unknown, which must be 1, then these two sides would be equal. That's how you can solve multi-step equations. That's all about that. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.